Move slow, chest tight, heartbeats in sync, and with the pulse of the falling clock's time meeting underneath metaphors hitting like the fist thrown from invisible hands. Whispered press, it does, but lightning bowed hurricane, silent invisible in the midnight, watching the silhouette turn survival into a choreography. Steps so I boogie across broken concrete, dipping low, hopping, locking between danger and desire. Reality bending real tongue twisted syllables into parallel patterns in the spine. The streaming cathedral of roses on track of every heartbeat, echoing sermons in the unseen. Blueprints can't see how wisdom omits into the darkness, negotiating every storm that tried to play the night ended up a shadow dancing behind its maker. Life whispered like smoke in lungs, every failure turned into the architecture of mystery. My mastery sharpened the architecture, rhythm twisted like rearranging reality. Cold in the ice, time boldly snapping, bending until reality grounds. Metaphors didn't just land, they broke bone, crashing like they're thrown from fist invisible hands. Circuits of the universe rewired in secret, troops to teach the dead. Tongue twist syllables like hydraulics that are bending and breathing. Every night I dressed in the concrete and foggy dark. I'm the figure of a privacy, flesh dipping, seek every motion. The stare of darkness didn't devour his share, turning fear to fuel, someone in scriptural witness. Every step of the sermon, every street whispered and engaging, stone that could teach horizons. A rhythm the city could never catch the response. Say, living choreography in control, metaphor still bleeding, streets still trembling beneath the linen. Traces of power, beyond all power did on shadow. Boogie, dip, dip, pop, block, boogie, boogie, dip, dip, pop, block. Every motion is concerned in the sermon, tongue twisted syllables, slice in air, rhythms, breaks, glance, every cathedral, every shadow, a servant, every storm road, try to case the fear to print, underpinning under them, though they cannot defeat discipline in the presence of the six-fingered hand. Circuses to a wing, and metaphors in the swing, crashing and falling, hydraulics over broken cables, and it's fine by dawn. These streets whispered the legends in the city, couldn't catch a figure that disappeared without traces of concrete. In the puddle syllables in the fog, the alley freeze to the realities they stitch crookedly to accommodate the presence that will be me. And I remain lethal, twisting and tongue pop, and swing slash the neck, no emotions, mid into the street light, immortalized in my rhythms. I does today, it observes and trembles, shadows ripple, secrets hiding in the cracks, echoes of a pulse that never quite fades back, silent symphonies that midnights embrace last. Boogie, dip, dip, pop, block, the rhythm rewire, cathedral of roses, every heartbeat I